Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool machine right here, and basically what this is a hair catcher and drain stopper. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and it comes with a pack of 3 of them. So if you can see for this product, I actually give you guys 3 different colors: gray, pink, and white. They also have this available in a separate pack. If you guys want to get like a blue one by itself, or if you guys want only gray, or only pink, or only white, they have that available in a 3 pack as well. And the way how they design the product allows you guys to use it almost anywhere. Whether you want to use it in your bathtub, your floor drain, kitchen, or anywhere else, that is up to you guys. But first, let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So let's take it out first. So once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So they probably got like a gray one, a white one, and a pink one right here, which is kind of cool. So depending on which one you want to use, that is up to you guys. But the way how they design the product is actually pretty cool. You guys can use it for almost any kind of sink or drain. Since they're all the same, I'm gonna show you guys what one of them looks like. So this part right here is the back like I mentioned. But when you guys look at the front, they do have the brand logo. And with this part right here is a drain stopper. But once you guys push it up, now it becomes like a hair catcher. So when you guys are showering, especially if you guys are a woman or girl, if you guys have a lot of long hair that falls off really easily, it will catch all the hair on here, which is really convenient. And the cool thing about these is the fact that they are silicone. So if you guys want to bend it how you guys want to, that is up to you guys. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out. So all you need to do is put it on just like that. If you guys turn on the water, you can see how none of the water goes through until you guys open it. Once you guys open it, it will allow the water to go through and kind of catch out any of the hair if you guys want to. And if you guys want to push it back down, very simple and very easy. And now none of the water can go through. So you see, that is how you guys use the product. Very simple and very easy. You basically use it in the kitchen sink. If you guys want to use it in the bathroom or anywhere else, that is up to you guys. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this quick test the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So whether you're going to use this in your kitchen, your bathroom, or anywhere else, that is up to you guys. But you see when you guys use the product, it definitely works pretty well. And it is super easy to actually set it up as well. And you see when you guys do set up the product, it's actually pretty cool because it gives you guys the option to use a 2-in-1, which is a hair catcher and drain stopper like I mentioned, which is really convenient. And because of the material is like a silicone material, it will actually hold the product pretty well on your sink or wherever you guys want to set this up. So that way it won't move around too much when you guys do set it up. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality silicone hair catcher that works as a drain stopper as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.